Well, you've undoubtedly heard a lot of bad news about Phoenix in the past couple of years, so let's give you some good news. If you have an apartment property on the east side of Phoenix, chances are you're starting to see some real strong revenue growth. Welcome to Apartment Market Dynamics from MPF Research. I'm Jay Parsons with your Phoenix update. Phoenix's apartment market recorded very strong demand in the first half of 2010, and things did slow down a little bit in third quarter. Only 80 apartment units absorbed between July and September. That's not very good, but still, for the year to date, 9,500 units absorbed, very good, and more than 10,000 units absorbed annually. Very good performances for Phoenix. Overall occupancy is still very weak, just 89.4%. That's one of the worst rates in the country. It's down very slightly, 0.1 point in the third quarter, but still up an impressive 2.2 points annually. And rents are moving back up due to price hikes on the east side of the metro. Same-store rents jumped 1.5% in third quarter, but they're still down 1% annually. So Phoenix remains one of the weakest apartment markets in the country, but things are improving. And for one, new supply levels have really started to dwindle down, so that's allowed for some improvement in more established properties. And also, in August of 2010, Phoenix's annual employment change figure turned positive for the first time since prior to the recession. And this is a market that lost more than 200,000 jobs during the recession. So to see that number finally turn positive on an annual basis is a big deal for Phoenix. Now, let's take a look at some of Phoenix's submarkets. If you're on the east side, things are a lot better over there. Now take a look at this chart here, looking at quarterly rent change on the east side of the metro. Very impressive numbers and far, far, far better than what we're seeing on the other side of the market. Chandler South Phoenix saw quarterly rent growth of 5.7% and more than 4% in Gilbert Southeast Phoenix and in South Tempe, and strong growth in South Scottsdale and North Tempe as well. Now if we look elsewhere in the Phoenix area, still seeing some rent cuts. In North Central Phoenix, rents fell another 0.8% in third quarter. Same number in South Glendale, South Peoria, and Southwest Phoenix and Central Phoenix cut rents as well. And on an annual basis, same-store rents are still down more than 6% year over year in Central Phoenix and in South Glendale, South Peoria. It's not good at all. And it's the same story with occupancy rates. Improving pretty much everywhere, but overall rates are far stronger on the east side of the metro. Another chart for you here, you see that Chandler South Phoenix is up to 94.7%. That is up 3.6 points year over year. And you see rates are above 93% in South Scottsdale, North Scottsdale, the Gilbert Southeast Phoenix area, and also South Tempe. And while we're seeing improvement in all parts of the metro, overall rates do remain pretty weak in other parts of the metro. See in this chart here, far north Phoenix is at 89.8%, and rates go as low as 81% occupancy in the South Glendale, South Peoria area. And you do see a little bit of occupancy growth, or a good bit of occupancy growth actually in the past year, but still overall occupancy remains very weak in most parts of the metro other than the east side. And that wraps us up for Phoenix. So until next time, for MPF Research and Apartment Market Dynamics, I'm Jay Parsons. Thank you for watching.
Want more? Go deeper with NPF Research's apartment market reports. From a national level, down to individual metros, to specific neighborhoods, NPF Research has been providing unparalleled apartment market intelligence to the multifamily industry for almost 5 decades. Learn more by contacting us at 877-284-4938 or visit www.npfresearch.com and click on Market Reports.